Do you know? You can create this presentation slide within a minute by only using your phone and Canva. You don't even need the Canva Pro version. You can create this for free. Watch till the end to know exactly how I made this. First, open Canva, select Presentation. This blank page will open. First step, click on Elements, search for half circle frame. Choose these frames one by one and place them like the way I'm showing you. Select one of the frame, then click on the three dots, click on Select Multiple. Select the other frames, then group. Rotate the frame to 45 degrees angle. Second step, drag and drop the image into the frame. Double-click on the image. Use the slider to rotate the image and adjust the size into the frame. Now, rotate the frames again. Drag and drop the next image. Double-click on the image to resize it. Then click on Done. Follow the same steps. Adjusting the image is important because when we are dragging the picture into the frame, it looks upside down. So rotating and resizing is important. Third step, take a circle shape and place it in the middle like this. Change the color into white. Select the circle, click on three dots, select multiple, then click on the frame and group them together. Now place it on the right side, increase the size. Take a square shape and place it on the left side. Change the box color. It's time to add text. Choose the one you like. Ungroup them. Increase or decrease the size whatever you want. Write down the details regarding your slide. Change the color of the text that suits. Now add animation to your text. You can see the name pan. Click on that. Then scroll left, click on More, then duplicate the page. Rotate the frame to show the next image. Remember, it is the next slide. Do the same things as we did for the previous one. Change the box color, then the text colors. You can also change the font if you want. Now scroll left, then choose More and then duplicate. Rotate again to use the next image. Change the box and the text color. Duplicate and edit the next slide. You see the colors here. All of them are the colors of images that we are using. The last step, click on the plus sign, then click on Transition. Select the Match and Move transition. Click on the box. It will apply the transition between all the pages. Your presentation slide is completely ready.